Pastors and A. I watched Pastor Lin's YouTube video a few days ago about the relationship between the church and I. Philip had some comments. Would you like to know what I think? If so, give it a like, share, and subscribe. Hey, is A really that magical? Even clergymen are making alarmist claims. The truth is quite clear. Today, there's a famous saying, I will not replace humans. It will only replace those who don't know how to use AI. Truth is like divine guidance. What I does is taught by anthroposophy. Its increasing wisdom and understanding are irreversible. But has the value of humanity not yet been surpassed by AI? I always prioritize humanity and will. We are living beings, spiritual beings. We have 7 emotions and 6 desires. We also have universal values and beliefs. A is just a machine. It helps you complete long, tedious, annoying, and incompetent tasks. Isn't it creativity and free will? Do you agree? Let's discuss. Comments Philip will read. Yes, religion exists because it favors humanity. As civilization grows, it will need it. There's no need to be pessimistic. Keep working hard to use AI to improve people's conservative habits, and that's it. AI won't replace believers with positive beliefs. AI will only eliminate those who refuse to be empowered by it. WhatsApp Philip. Form a group to discuss. What? Me. 51,167,093. Or QR code. This is me, Philip Sir. Bye-bye.